Hello everyone. Welcome to English with Tsedeke.
Today's lesson is one of the most important grammar lessons in English. The difference between the present perfect tense and the simple past tense. Many learners say things like, I have seen him yesterday. Is that correct? Stay with me, and by the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when to use each tense. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand the present perfect tense, understand the simple past tense, know the difference between them, avoid common mistakes, practice with exercises. The simple past tense.
Structure: subject plus verb to plus object.
Examples. I visited Dubai last year. She watched a movie yesterday. They arrived 2 hours ago. Use the simple past when the action happened at a finished time in the past. We use time expressions like yesterday, last week, last month, last year, 2 days ago, in 2020, and the like. Listen to the following conversation carefully and try to note the past verb form used in it.
Hi, how was your weekend?
It was great. I visited my parents on Saturday.
Repeat the response given by the man.
I visited my parents on Saturday.
Oh, that's nice. What did you do?
We walked in the park.
Repeat the response given by the man.
We walked in the park, and then we cooked dinner together.
Repeat the response given by the man.
Then we cooked dinner together. My mom made her famous lasagna.
Repeat the response given by the man.
I love lasagna. Did you have a good time?
Yes, I did. It was very relaxing.
Repeat the response given by the man.
It was very relaxing. What about you? What did you do yesterday?
I cleaned my apartment in the morning.
What was the response given by the woman?
I cleaned my apartment in the morning. In the afternoon, I went to the movie theater with my sister.
What did she do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I went to the movie theater with my sister.
Oh, really? What movie did you see?
We saw a new comedy. We laughed so much.
What kind of movie did the woman watch with her sister in the afternoon?
We saw a new comedy. We laughed so much.
It sounds like you had a fun weekend too.
I did. It was perfect.
The present perfect tense. The present perfect tense talks about actions that happened in the past, but are connected to the present. The exact time is not mentioned.
Structure: subject plus has or have plus past participle form of a verb.
Examples. I have finished my homework. She has visited Ethiopia. They have eaten breakfast. We have seen that movie. When do we use the present perfect tense? Experience. I have visited Dubai. Have you ever flown on a plane? Recent actions. She has just arrived. I have already eaten. Unfinished time. We have lived here for 5 years. He has worked here since 2022. Repeat the sentences in the following video.
I have repaired a bicycle. I have finished my breakfast. I have repaired a bicycle. I have finished my breakfast. I have sent an email.
Quick summary. Simple past. Use it for finished actions. The time is usually mentioned. Present perfect. Use it when the exact time is not important. Use it for experiences, recent actions, and actions that continue to the present. Excellent work. Today you've learned the difference between the present perfect tense and the simple past tense. Keep practicing every day because practice is the key to mastering English. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss future lessons. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.